Hey guys, it's ShadedGloryGamer here, and what is this? What is this we're doing right here? Oh god, I have to sneeze. Oh god. Anyways, so look what this is. What is this? What is this we're doing right here? Is this Minecraft, guys? Isn't this like crazy? Wait, look at my health bar. Is that survival mode? What is this craziness? Yep, guys, I'm going to do another Minecraft playthrough and actually stick to this one. It won't be updated very often, because, you know, I'm working on something super secret at the moment that I haven't even told you guys about. That's how secret it is. But, yeah, I'm gonna play Minecraft for you guys. Requested by a certain someone. Yeah, so, you know, I've been break some wood. Oh, look at that wood brick. Look at that. Oh, wait, 1 second, guys. What am I doing? Okay, it is on normal. Okay. See, guys, look at me being all daredevil. But yeah. I think I want to edit some sound in the back of this. I'm going to learn how to do that before I put it up. But, on the bright side, I'm doing a giveaway. Not nothing special, nothing that costs any money, but I'm giving away a spot on my server. Now I know that sounds cheap, but it's more like a better spot on the server than what you can get. Say you join the server when it's up, and you start out as a low rank. Oh shit, fire over here. So you start out as a low rank, and then you work your way up. But if you just kind of do my subscribe for my sweepstakes that I'm doing, you could win a higher spot. That being not general, around general, like sergeant maybe, like lieutenant. So yeah, what do you guys think about that? You know, comment. I need to know feedback. And this only goes on until like 3 days after the server's up, and you guys will know when the server's up because I will put a video up. Fucking sheep. Give me your wool. I need your wool. Where the fuck? He looked at me like, but why? Okay, I got enough wool for a bed, got enough wood for a bed. Just need to cut down a little bit more. Actually, you know what we should do? My buddies have been making me play fucking Minecraft on the Xbox. I have no idea what the hell I'm doing right now. And I've been playing creative mode when I play on here. It's all a load of malarkey. Ah! Malarkey, if I say so myself. What the hell? Wait, did that do it? Oh no, it's okay. I was like, what? Okay, so we need a axe. Alright. Chopping down some wood. Chopping down the wood. Chopping the wood. Ooh. Ooh. See the tree falling down in the corner, top left? I was like, whoa, what the hell? You know, it's just the tree that falling down, because, you know, trees are gay. I need to gather some food soon. Is that experience over there? What the hell? I'll have to go over there in a second. So, I was supposed to be doing this with a buddy of mine, but, you know, he's a dick, so... Yeah, I'm recording on my own for a while. Every time I try to record with someone, they bail. I do have footage of me and this one guy playing, but he was very vulgar. And I don't know how much you guys enjoy that. And I mean, he was pretty fucked up. Let's see. Let's get like one more tree of wool. Tree of wood. Then we'll start gathering food. Speaking of food, there's some chickens over there. Chicken. Chicken to chicken. Show that chicken. Show real good. Oh, we get couple years, not anytime soon, a couple of years. I'm moving to a better place. Getting, you know, better computer, some better internets. Damn it, fucking chicken. Piece of shit. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty good. Have more videos going up. Maybe vlogs. I know I'm gonna start doing that soon because I have a camera now. I had a camera for a while. I just kind of, you know, pooped off the face of the earth for a little bit because no one would fucking watch my videos. That means you. Yeah, I know. You're watching this video now, but you were one of them. Not watching my shit. Yeah, you know who I'm talking to. No, not the black guy. Black guy's always innocent. What the hell? This is different. Okay. I left my crafting table. I just realized that. Fuck. Okay, so yep, I'm too hungry to sprint. Great, I'm gonna fucking die, and it's not even the first episode yet. This is fucking like a prologue, and I'm gonna die. God damn it. Let's go take shelter in this cave. More than just a cave. Go. God, I'm so not used to fucking actually doing shit. So I need to make a crafting table again, because I don't feel like going back there. It's scary out there. And then, son of a bitch. Okay. Then put that down here. And do this. Someone just fucking messaged me, god damn it! Running my fucking recordings and shit. And take this. And I need to get... Huh. Wow, this is actually nice. You know, I just realized you guys can't hear shit. Here. There you go. Is that better for you? Ooh, okay, I heard a monster now. I'm not as confident as I probably going to. I'm probably going to get my ass handed to me. I was before. I kind of don't want to die. Okay, I have enough for a furnace. Now I need 3 more, so I can make a stone pick. There we go. So, oh yeah, furnace. Okay. Butterfingers. Okay, so I need to make some charcoal. No. Here, hold on, how do I make that go away? Okay. So, because I don't want you guys to think I'm cheating. Because I'm a cheater. So don't I have to, like, smelt this? Right? Am I doing this right, guys? Am I Minecrafting right? No, you guys can't fucking answer me. It'll be like 5 days after I actually do all this shit that you get to see this. What the hell? I'm talking like a lot of people are going to watch this. Like, no one fucking watches this. Getting some of that charcoal. Some of that charcoal. People are fucking messaging me. They can go suck a dick. making me a fucking pick. Now I got me a stone pick. I'm going to die. So this needs to hurry up and give me some coal. I can't. I fucking hate that. God damn it. Ooh, a flower. All the way out on the right. Oh. God, it's getting nighttime. Oh no. Oh no. Here, let's fucking use that as fuel. I need to make some torches. Need to make some torches. And light this area up. And light this area up. And this area. Now I might not die as bad. Probably going to. I'm probably going to get my ass handed to me. Although nothing seems to be spawning yet. So I guess that's a good sign. Wait, any of that chicken cook? Oh, chicken. Oh my god. So I'm sick, by the way. So yeah, you know, add insult to injury. That's the right term, right? I don't know why I'm asking you guys that. Still can't respond to me. Whoa. Lag spike is why does it seem like something's already been here? Oh, happy music. Oh, happy music to be happy about. Oh, it's so nice. So happy. Oh. Iron. There's iron down there. I heard a zombie down there. Ew, I can see my fucking reflection on the TV. And yes, before you guys go on moral fag and correct me, it's a TV. Using the TV as my monitor. Oh god, guys, I made it out alive. Oh my god. Oh, that music is so happy. Game, I'm back, and I brought coal and iron. Oh, I need one piece in there, right? So, how do I make a bed? That's so bad. I think it's like this, and then fucking. Hey, I got a bed. Let's put it here. I'm gonna whoop somebody's ass. Oh, I survived the first night, guys. Oh no! Son of a bitch. Oh, did you hear that, guys? It said chilling. Why is he there? Look at him. Oh, fucking leotard and shit. Now the tunic. Look at him in that fucking tunic. Piece of shit. Over there. Sheep. Wish I had more shit to cook, but I don't. So what can I make with this? My new iron. I could make one of these. Wood's still a necessity. And one of these. I have feathers. Then how did I get? Oh yeah. Okay, so let's go out into the world and try to kill him. If I can get up this. Now they fucking decide to mow the lawn. Oh no! 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 Oh 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 no! That ass with some seeds. Use that ass with some seeds. Yeah, what are you gonna do now that you're on fire? Yeah, how's that one feel? Oh god, he's gonna fucking kill me.